Bite My Head Off new song The Rolling Stones features Paul McCartney. The Rolling Stones' Mick Jagger recently shared a story about how he persuaded Sir Paul McCartney to sing on the band's new album, Hackney Diamonds, in an interview with Apple Music's Zane Lowe. The 12-song Hackney Diamonds CD by the Rolling Stones has a complete track listing that includes the previously mentioned Lady Gaga and Stevie Wonder duet on the song Sweet Sound of Heaven. Along with Bite My Head Off, which has bass by Paul McCartney, and Get Close and Live by the Sword, which have piano by Elton John, that song will be played. It features vocals from Gaga and keyboard and piano work from Wonder. On October 20th, The Collection, the group's first brand new studio album or piece of original music in 18 years, is scheduled for release. The age-old rock and roll conundrum Beatles or Stones asks listeners whether they prefer the cerebral intricacy of the Beatles or the visceral swagger of the Rolling Stones. Since Mick Jagger and Paul McCartney are texting buddies even if they aren't quite close friends, the members of the two bands don't feel any rivalry between them. Bite My Head Off, a song from the Rolling Stones' forthcoming album Hackney Diamonds, features McCartney on bass. Other previously known guests on the album come from the Stones' inner circle, including two songs that were recorded with the late drummer Charlie Watts, Mess It Up, Live by the Sword. The latter also includes a contribution from the late bassist Bill Wyman. The album was recorded all over the world and includes a Jagger-Richards cover of the Muddy Waters song, Rolling Stone Blues, that served as the band's inspiration. During a global live stream from Hackney Empire in East London last week, the living trio of original members singer Mick Jagger, guitarist Ronnie Wood, and drummer Keith Richards announced their first new studio album since 2005's A Bigger Bang. They also debuted the Sydney Sweeney starring music video for the album's lead single, Angry.